Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. Out here early May 5th of 24 at the Avon Park Arrows Marrow Modelers Club. We're going to take up the Arrows MIG 29 Twin 64. Have a little bit of fun with it. I've done the landing gear mod to the front where the front string is a lot stiffer and not as much bounce, so you don't destroy your nose. Of course, if you land right, you won't have that problem. All right. I'm going to do takeoff flaps, right, left, up, down, right, left. My rates are 100% throws, 30% expo, all the way around. All right. Let me look at, you know what, I might do my mid rates.
Mid rates.
Yeah, we'll do mid rates. That's 80% with 30% expo. All right. Turn around here. Wind is somewhat out of the east, so all right. Timer set for 3.5 minutes. Here we go.
Flaps up, gear up.
Oh yeah. Flying real good.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Take it up. Flip it.
Gear down.
Put my gear down. Make sure my gear is all down. And it is. Okay.
Landing flaps.
Start slowing my roll down a little bit. Get lined up with the runway. And there we go. You know what? I'm just going to take off from down there.
Flaps.
All right.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right. Take off flaps, and here we go. Oh, what a sweet flying bird.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
Not bad, not bad. Got enough for one more. Okay.
Takeoff flaps.
And here we go.
Flaps up. Landing flaps, 30 seconds. 20 20 seconds.
All right. And that's what I'm talking about, folks, right there. This is the time of the day to fly jets for sure.
Flaps up.
All right, folks, we have 12 seconds left on a 3.5 minute timer. So let's take a look at how much juice is left in the tank. Real quick to show you my setup. That is the 4,000, got about 2 finger lengths in back from the front, 4,000 Sokokin. Down there is an AR631 Spectrum receiver. All my wires are tucked in a nice little bundle right here. Let me show you the retracts real quick. It's got some really nice retracts. How they rotate in. But one mod you're going to want to do is, like RC Informer, as you can see the damage to my noses before I started doing this. Undo that screw there, pull this gear out. It'll just all come out in one piece. There's a spring will come out, and then put you a little piece like that 3x5 millimeter end off of a battery, or a little piece of metal about maybe 1/2 inch long that fits in that tube. Put that back in there, put the spring back in there. Now you'll have to force the tire down, anchor her down, and now you've only got just a little bit of give. Before, this entire nose, it had so much give that the whole nose would come down to the ground, and I didn't do anything with the mains. So let's check the battery. Battery is quite warm, and boy, them lights really showed up. That's for sure. Well, it's amazing flying these jets on a calm wind. Difference between night and day. 28%, perfect. So 3.5 minutes, and I was full speed most of the time. I mean, she is a little underpowered in my opinion, but she flies fine. On a 4,000 Sokokin, this has an ADC. Get it on Amazon, and hey, 3.5 minutes of timing. I don't know, I really wouldn't want to slow down too much, so I'm afraid she'll fall out of the sky. But 3/4 throttle to full throttle almost all the time. So, all right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. That is the Arrows MiG-29. There'll be a link to the purchase in this. I am an affiliate. I ain't gonna lie to you. And but if you'll use my link, yeah, I know the plane is a better part of $400, but if you use my link, you can take $10 off. I mean, $10 is $10, right? All right, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then MiG-29s. Bye-bye.